Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to fix mouse wheel not working error on Windows 10 in Google Chrome. So first of all press Windows key plus R. Now search control.exe. Then press OK. Now view by select large icons. Now click on mouse. So now in here you can do modified mouse wheel speed. So make more fast and try how is working. And secondly go to wheel. Now in here change number of lines at a time. So I recommended select about 7 number and horizontal scrolling input about 4 number. Now click on apply, then OK. So by this easy setting I hope mouse will not working error will be fixed in Google Chrome. And if this method is not useful for you, so you can do reset your Chrome browser and also update Chrome browser. So by these some settings hopefully this error will be fixed. And please comment this method is work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video.